Hello friends, do you know what day it is today? Can we figure it out together? Look at the board and tell me where is our last shape in the pattern that we drew yesterday. That will tell us what day it was yesterday. And if we know what day it was yesterday, then we can figure out what today is. Do you see what shape it was? Can you tell me what shape it is? What about the color? Did you guess purple triangle? Purple triangle was yesterday, and yesterday was Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. So yesterday was this square. So today we just move over one square, and that tells us that this is today. So before we figure out the date, let's put our pattern in so that we remember where we are. So if yesterday was purple triangle and this is today, what do we need to follow up with our purple triangle? What shape or drawing do we need to put here? Let's see if your guess is correct. Let's go back to the beginning and say our pattern together. Are you ready? Say it with me. Orange circle, purple triangle, 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 orange circle. That was a lot to say in one section. So let's draw an orange circle in our square. Are you drawing it on your calendar at home? Do you have a calendar that you can use, or maybe draw one on a piece of paper? Or you can X it off if you don't want to put orange circles and purple squares. Or you can just do it in your head. Sometimes we are very good at remembering what day it is just by seeing it a couple of times. What else do we need in our square? What do the other squares have that this square doesn't have yet? Can you figure it out? The numbers, that's right. We need to put a number in here, and we need to figure out what number. So yesterday was 20. So what comes after 20? Do you know? What do you think? 20? Let's go back to the beginning and count together and see if you're correct. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Did you guess 21? Good for you. I love it when you guess. Even if you don't have the right answer, it's still good to guess. So 21 is 2 digits, just like the 20, and it's a 2 and a 1. So we have 2 digits, a 2 and a 1, make 21. So today is the 21st. When we put our numbers in the calendar, we kind of change them a little bit. So we don't say 21, we say 21st. Now we need to figure out what day of the week it is. So let's go up to the top. Do you remember how many days there are in a week? Can we count them together to see if your guess is correct? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good try. I love it when you try with me. So today is Thursday. Can you say Thursday? Starts with a TH sound. Like thirsty. So here's Thursday. Let's spell it together. It starts with a capital T because it is the name of the day. And we always put a capital at the beginning of any word that is a name of something. So capital T, H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Thursday. So today is Thursday, the 21st. Now let's have a look. We've got to decide what our month is. Do you remember what it was when we talked about it yesterday? Do you remember how many months there are in the year that we can choose from? Let's take a look and count them up over here together. You count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in the year. Do you remember their names? Let's go back up to the top and let's try to recite their names together. Just try, even if you don't know them all yet, we'll learn together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. So this month is the very first one, the first month of the year, and it's January. So we have January over here, and let's spell it together. It's a capital J because it's the name of the month, and we spell it J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. January. January. And the year is 2021. Sometimes we say 2021. You can say it whichever way feels best for you. 2021 or 2021. So let's put all of the components of our calendar into our sentence to tell us what day it is. So our sentence starts with two words. Today is. And today has a capital T because it is the first word in the sentence. And we always capitalize the first word in the sentence. So today is Thursday. So we're going to put capital. Oh, I got my orange marker. I need a dark marker. I can't find the black one. We'll just do purple for now. Today is Thursday. So we're going to put a capital T because Thursday is the name of the day. Capital T H U R S D A Y, and then a comma. And a comma in a sentence tells us to pause just for 1 second before we say the next word. And the next word is January. So capital J because it's the name of the month. A-N-U-A-R-Y. And then we put the number of the day, which is 21. So we'll put a 2, 1, and then a comma because we want to pause there before we say the next thing in the sentence. And that is the year, 2021. So 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. And a period tells us that our sentence is done, so we don't read any further. That's the end of the sentence. Let's say the whole sentence together. Today is Thursday, January 21st, 2021. Great job trying. Did you look outside today to see what the weather is like? What the weather's like where you live? I peeked outside and it's very exciting today. It's winter where I live and it's very cold when it's winter here. We get lots of snow and blowing winds. But today it's doing something special that it usually doesn't do in the winter. And I'm very excited to share it with you. So there is clouds in the sky, lots of clouds. Is it cloudy where you live? Lots of clouds, but those clouds are doing something. Windy? It's not windy today. Is it windy where you live? What about sunny? We don't have any sun where I live today, so we'll put that one away. Partly cloudy and partly sunny? Nope, no sun where I am. What about it where you live? Is it snowing where you live? Normally on a day like today when the clouds are doing something, it would be snowing where I live because it's January and it's winter. But it is so nice out and the temperature dropped low enough that we actually have rain. It's raining where I live in the middle of winter. It rarely ever rains, but it's raining today, so it's kind of exciting. So, can you help me find rainy on our weather chart? Let's start at the top. We have a sun. Nope, not sunny. Cloudy. Well, it is cloudy, but the clouds are doing something. Would you remember what they're doing? Raining. That's right. Oh, here's a cloud with rain. So we get to put our first tally mark in our rainy section because it hasn't rained yet in January. This is a first. So I'm going to make a tally mark here. And do you remember how to make a tally mark? Put your finger up to the sky and strike it straight down. One more time. Up at the top and straight down. So we're going to make one tally mark here. Do it with me. Start up at the top and strike it down. That's exciting. So today, because it's raining, I'm going to go outside. It's not raining really hard. It's just a nice rain. So I'm going to go outside and enjoy it. I love going for walks in the rain. But before we get started, we're going to talk about yesterday. And yesterday I went through my toy box and I gave away all the toys that I wasn't using to some other children that would appreciate them. So I've checked that off. I also finished my igloo. Do you remember I was making an igloo or a snow fort, some people will call it? I finished that all the way up to this 3rd level. So that's done as well. So I've checked that off. And I'm going to put the date first. I'm going to start with the day. So it's a capital T for Thursday, capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y, and then a comma, January, capital J, and I ran out of room. I probably could put the 21 there. Let's see if I can squeeze it in. 21. I did. So I got a comma, and then there's no room for the year, so I'm going to go down and back to the beginning and put 2021. 2021. And I'm going to practice my numbers all the way up to 21 because it's the 21st today, and I want to practice my numbers every day. So you can count with me, and if you have your paper, you can practice making the numbers on your paper as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm out of room, so I'm going to go all the way back to the beginning here. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, that was really close together. 20, 21. Normally I like to put a little bit of a space in between, but I'm just practicing, so that's okay to make mistakes. And it's raining today, so I get to make a cloud with some raindrops coming out of it. I'm so excited. I'll color that in. And I get to put raindrops because it's raining. And you know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to go for a walk. So let's do a picture of me. And I'm going to go for a walk. And I'm going to be holding what? What am I going to be holding if it's raining outside? Do you know? If you guessed an umbrella, you are correct. So my umbrella is going to go up here, and then it's going to go kind of zigzaggy like this, and up like that. Does that look like an umbrella? That is my best umbrella. I'll have to practice that some more. And I'm going to be smiling, and I kind of have long hair, and I'm going to put on my raincoat so that I don't get super wet. And I'm going to put on some rubber boots. Do you have rubber boots? They are great for keeping our feet dry. Then we can play outside in the rain and not have to worry about getting wet. I love playing in the rain. Do you like to play in the rain? It's also going to be very slushy because we have lots of snow on the ground. And if it's nice out, that means the snow is kind of melty already. Plus, we're going to have rain drops on it. So it's going to be really wet and slushy and fun. So the last thing I'm going to do is print my name because I want to practice printing my name every day. Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. If you don't know how to make all your letters yet, and you don't know how to make your words for Thursday in January, you can just practice with one letter. And we were working on A. Let's pick a new letter now. Let's pick R. Have you ever made an R before? It starts up at the top like this and goes down. Then you go back up to the top and you make a loop this way, and then you make a line that comes down. So we start at the top, then we go around, and then we come down. R. R, kind of like a pirate. R. So you start up at the top, come down, make a loop around, and then make your line down. And then this is a capital R, or you can call it an uppercase R or a big R. And then we're going to make a lowercase r, and the lowercase r is half the size of your big R. So I'm just going to make an imaginary line down there and another line down here. So halfway the size of my capital R, I'm going to make a line like this. And then I'm going to go almost to the top, but not quite to the top of my line. And I'm just going to make an arch like this. And then I've made a little r, a small r or a lowercase r. You practice your letters every day, you'll eventually be able to make all of the letters, and you'll be able to make words, and you can print whatever words you like to make sentences and write letters to people. So today we are going to do something nice. Oh, let's talk about being kind first since I started there. Today, can you ask somebody if they would like help with anything? Anybody. It can be an adult in your house. It can be a sibling like a brother or a sister, or a cousin or a friend or a neighbor. You can knock on their door and ask if they need any help with anything, like maybe shoveling the sidewalk or sweeping the sidewalk or picking up garbage. You can just ask them, just say, would you like me to help you with anything today? And if they say yes, then you can help them. They'll be so happy. And if they say no, thank you, you can just say no problem. If you ever need help, let me know. And that's a wonderful, kind thing to do. So my feeling face today, we have all these different feeling faces. So this one's kind of nervous, maybe kind of shy. I don't feel nervous or shy today. What about angry? I don't think I'm angry. What about I'm so-so? I'm calm and relaxed and peaceful today, just okay. I am kind of okay, but I think I feel a little bit more happy than this. A little bit more excited, maybe? What about sad? Do you think I'm sad? What do you think? I don't think I'm sad. I think I'm feeling pretty happy. So I'm going to pick our happy face. I think I need to make a new face. I need to make an excited face because I am very excited to go outside and play in the rain today. But this happy face will do today. So this is my happy face for today. How are you feeling today? Which feeling face will you pick for today? I hope you pick something wonderful and happy because that's a nice way to be. But if you're sad or angry, that's okay too. And I hope you find something nice and kind to do for somebody when you ask them if they need any help today. And I hope you have a great day. And we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.